Hello everyone, and welcome. In this demo, I am going to show you how to group delete students and teachers from a course section in openSIS. Why would we use group delete? Administrators typically use this feature when students or teachers have been assigned to the wrong course section, when schedule corrections are required, or when certain users are no longer needed in a particular course section. From the side navigation menu, navigate to Scheduling. Under Scheduling, click on Group Delete. This opens the Group Delete page, where we must first select the course section from which we want to remove students or staff. Click on the plus icon. In this window, we can search for course sections using different filters such as program, subject, course, marking period, or grade level. Alternatively, we can click All to display all available course sections in the school. For this demonstration, let us select Introduction to Cybersecurity. Once selected, the system displays the scheduled teacher and the students currently assigned to this course section. Now, select the teacher you want to remove. Next, select the student or students that need to be removed from the course section. After making the selection, click on the Delete button. A confirmation message will appear asking whether you want to proceed with the deletion. Click Yes. Once the process is completed successfully, the system displays a *completed* message confirming that the selected teacher and students have been removed from the course section. Now, let us look at a situation where students or staff cannot be deleted. Click on the plus icon again. For this example, let us select Art class. Here, we can see the messages: student deletion is not permitted due to transactional associations, and staff deletion is not permitted due to transactional associations. Do not worry, let us understand what these messages mean. A student cannot be removed from a course section if academic records already exist for that student within the section. For example, if attendance has been recorded, grades have been assigned, or other academic transactions have already taken place, the system prevents deletion in order to protect the student's academic history. Similarly, a staff member cannot be removed if they have existing transactional associations within the course section, such as attendance entries, grading records, or other academic activities linked to them. One additional point to remember is that a course section's primary staff cannot be removed using the group delete feature. Only secondary staff members assigned to the course section can be removed. This restriction helps maintain the integrity of the course section and its academic records. This completes the process of group deleting students and teachers from course sections in openSIS. Thank you for watching.